13 forecast.
Taking advantage of the relatively cool temperatures and the showers hanging out mostly offshore out on the beach today. Check out the surf. Nice and flat. Yellow flag flying in most locations. Did have a double red flag flying in Franklin County, and that large in part due to storms off of the coast this morning. The wind out of the north and east now at about 7 miles per hour, and temperature sitting around 88 over the next couple of days. Similar for those daytime highs. We should see some cloud cover in and out as well. Scattered activity for your Saturday, but mostly in the afternoon. So if you are headed to the coast or out on the beach, make sure you still have the sunscreen available, especially in the morning hours, and then we'll see some more cloud cover working in throughout the afternoon. It's still going to be hit and miss. No washout weather here throughout the weekend. Sunday looks to be the more cloudy day, as we could see shower activity around a good portion of the day. But again, even then, I'm not seeing washout weather. 30 minutes on the burn time tomorrow. That's thanks to that added cloud cover at 9.8, but you still will need the sunscreen. Our pollen count low, but we've added ragweed as one of the main allergens. Chinnopods and grasses still up there as well, and our air quality overall on the good side. We have had some shower and thunderstorm activity today. Again, started off the day that way out on the coast in Franklin County, and that would be St. George Island and Dog Island that just got unloaded on early this morning. With that northeast wind, we've actually had the sea breeze offshore all day long, which is where we're getting that shower activity to work just off to the south and west of Bay County. So not a whole lot of issues across our area at the moment. And I told you I thought Futurecast was overdoing the convection for the day today. As we go into the day tomorrow, this looks to be about right. We'll see the pop-up activity as we go late into the afternoon, and the best chance of rain, in my opinion, is going to be closer to the evening hours, so about 3, 4, 5 o'clock, and then continuing into the late evening and overnight hours. It's still holding on to an east-northeast wind, and that's thanks to that broad circulation off to our south, all associated with that tropical trough. We'll keep moisture chances high throughout the day on Sunday, but again, not washout weather. The good news, cloud cover keeping those temperatures down as well as those high rain chances, so you at least have the opportunity to cool off with the showers around. And that's not going to last, because as we lose the influence of this tropical trough after some wetter weather for Sunday, Monday, and possibly even Tuesday before this lifts out, we're going to be talking about the heat building back once again, and you'll see it pause right here. I don't quite have that in the forecast, but it is going to get hot as we get toward the end of next week, and I certainly don't have that in the forecast, at least not just yet. That's not all the good news out there. In the tropics, we have calmed things down. In the eastern Pacific, just one storm, and the two waves we've been monitoring in the Atlantic now down to just 10% and 40% for development. So as expected early on in August, we typically see these waves struggle as they're dealing with dry air and hostility across the Atlantic. There is another wave that's making its round on social medias, but it's just now coming off the coast of Africa. So wait until next week when we have a better idea of what that looks like, and then we could see these things happen exactly like it did this week, maybe not develop at all.
All right, sounds good. Thanks, Ross.